Hey guys, it's Jenny with Art for Good. So today I'm going to show you another one of my bowl pours, and this one is really fun because it uses a bunch of bright colors like pink, aqua, and orange. So let's get started. So to start and prep my canvas, I just put down sprayed. So to start, I sprayed a little bit of rose gold spray paint where my bowl is going to go. Then I'm going to set the bowl down and start pouring paint around the bowl once that spray paint has dried, of course. So I did have to speed up this video just to get it to upload for you all, so I am moving a little bit quicker than my normal human self, but bear with me. So I have a variety of colors that I will put in the description below. I have a hot pink, or magenta I should say. I have sort of a custom blend of like an Orangecicle orange color. I have a Parchment colored white, and then I have regular titanium white. And I've just put those around in circles, and I'm gonna go in with my hairdryer and start to work that paint in a circular motion around the bowl. Now the trick to this is to really make sure you get most of that paint off of the canvas. You want a very thin layer left, because otherwise when you take this bowl up, it will flood the center, and that space that you worked really hard to protect will no longer be a circle. So you want to make sure you get all of the paint off, or as much as you can, with the hairdryer. I'm using just a regular old hairdryer. I think there is a lot of conversation about what's the best hairdryer to use in acrylic paint pouring and for the Dutch pour style. And I have not found the need to get a special hairdryer. I just used one that's an old version of, I think, a Revlon model. So obviously this one's dedicated only to paint pouring, which is why it's covered in paint. I'm going to try to get a little more white around this bowl. Now this is a very large canvas. It is 36 by 36 inches, which is pretty much as big as you can go as far as a square is concerned, without going to a custom size. All right, so now I'm gonna put down my party tub over the bowl. And I'm gonna do some more striations of color around this party tub. All right, now I'm going to take the party tub off. And I've done this composition or this technique, I should say, with some other colors and used the party tub, and it worked a little bit better. This one you can't really see the difference between where I have the party tub and where I didn't. So I would recommend using some different types of colors or some different contrasting colors around if you're going to use the party tub. Now I'm going to kind of try to fix this circle that I've created by adding a little more pink in. All right, I'm going to take the bowl up, which reveals our circle of spray paint. Now I'm going to go in with some more of that rose gold spray paint around the outside and just see if I like this a little bit better. Please, if you're working with spray paint, be sure to wear a respirator mask. I have a link to the one that I like to use in the description below. Better to be safe than sorry with your health for sure. I'm adding a little bit of white spray paint, or tried to, and then I had an issue with my spray paint. Now I'm going to take a toothbrush that I've dipped into the white paint and just splatter it around. I'm not really liking how starkly contrasting this circle is, so I'm trying to kind of blend it in a little bit more with this white splatter. I'm just cleaning up the circles just so that it looks like a circle a little bit more with a paper towel. Now I'm still trying to decide what to do with this, and I decide that I'm going to add some contrasting color in with this teal or turquoise spray paint that I have, which is really going to make this pop in a really funky way. Now I have the links to all the products I've used in the description below, so please be sure to check that out if you're interested in trying this out for yourself. All right, and this is the final piece. I like how this turned out. I mean, it really was kind of touch and go there for a while. I wasn't sure about, you know, the sort of monochrome look and sort of the pinks and the oranges. And now with this little burst of aqua, I think it's turned into something really cool. Well, that's all the time I have for today. If you're interested in more of these types of compositions and techniques using the bowl or a cake pan or even sometimes the party tub, I will leave you here with a playlist so you can keep watching. I will see you next time.